the member of parliament for Wejagwari constituency, Honorable Jerry Ahmed, any Ghana for no, Abe Clash John Mahama, Efa Enra, program a course, Accra, the State House, any can that as a national prayers and thanksgiving day, Kobon Paye, Ada Nyamiase, Etadia who asked Jabensa, Atuenchama Atugane Moon. Now, I know, Anna Jerry Ahmed, any Ghana for say, Debbie, and Nama Air Course were Ghana had a one, Ojuno, Ontiase, Omo Abe Comagine. My man chiri mu no achede wadwen e dia mame e wo comment section I Penyah block me that mess for say any demo or be like video no under one subscribe button some back click notification connect latest update time better wadwen dia mame e wo comment section obaso a na chef for enya bia hwe no make am phone nala money send up ene dia man o USA o UK o pese sense ka ediko fia utwa o eno kakra eja unua bi wo fa bi ana pese send kakra edimo bi edi adwuma de bi e ma e wo Ghana ha pa pese send ediko no mobile money account mu straight e nala app no hweton force no register. Use the promo code Penyah TV. If I say this, can bet you $20 for free. And I this amazing offer. Now let's go to the story. Ebusia, only say Ghana no ye ne kese abo afa Ghana hanomo ama bebia atedi Accra Mountain so any central region e mantemu ho de ensuyiri eni omu di akompa ama amanfo ajapade na amanfo dem asay no emu ya.
So all the water broke this wall. I don't know even if it's showing so well. We broke this wall, entered their house. It entered their house, and then now this is with a heap of sand, not only small. You see the sand? You see, with a heap of sand. This is now the entrance. Now, these are all sand that he brought. He brought a lot of sand. Then when you come here, this is heat. This is it. This is it. This is it. You see, this is it. And the sand entered the room. So when you come here, this one, not even paper, not even, it's not even a day. How would they scoop all the sand out? Scoop the sand out. You see, this is I'm close. I could touch the what's the name? The ceiling. I could touch the bulb over here. So I'm basically on a sand in the room. This was the level of the water, and it came with sand and other debris from outside. You see, and this is it. This place, not a lot of sand, but from here, the sand. They've lost everything. Everything is gone. It's so sad. I really want to help them. I don't know how. There's nothing I can give that can even recover the loss they have suffered.
But you,
Hey, provision shops are hold door. Emma Omen will be craft phone shop. It's where we are hold my says, near my sister phone sniff call. Chese,
just work. And if you don't get what you thought you were gonna get, show up and still go to work.
You gotta keep working. Your time's gonna come. Trust me. You have to work every single day. I think that's where your confidence comes from. You gotta work. Your time is gonna happen. You're here for a reason.
Turn your feelings off when it comes down to you wanting to be better. What that means is when that alarm clock goes off, your feelings gotta go away. Do it. That's the hack.
ɛma nsuo ɛyɛ wɔ Ghana hanom no ahome. I know this is not the first time 2025 ebi si yɛ saa ne double rate 2026 na 2025 ɛdɛm Mahama ɛbɛtena kunya so no ana ɔde ɛda bi si hɔ sɛ ɛda ne duro no ma yɛn nyinaa bɛhyia ne abobɔ mpa ya da nyame ase every year 1st July ɛyɛ Republic Day no ɛna ɔde asi hɔ sɛ yɛde bɛyɛ National Prayers and Thanksgiving Day yɛsɛ bɛbɔ mpa yɛ adeda nyame ase aside ɔman no ahyɛ nyame ɛnsa na sɛ Mahama ɛde saa ɛda no ɛsi hɔ no mo ama last year yɛyɛ bi ɛbobɔ mpa yɛ saa adeda nyame ase saa sire nyame sɛ ɔma atoro nkyɛn bia ɛnto ɔman no yɛ ohun Ghana mɔbɔ ɔma atoro nkyɛn bia ɛnto ɔman na sɛ yɛbobɔ mpa yɛ saa ɛma yɛ pɔnkɔ fie ɛkɔda ababusia na nko bia nsi akɔbɔ mpa yɛ ɛde ɔman akɔhyɛ nyame nsa akɔ sɛ Ghana Kristofoɔ man nyame yɛ kasa wotie yɛde ɔman akɔhyɛ nyame ase yɛ ohun Ghana mɔbɔ na nka atoro nkyɛn bia anto Ghana but empire no to no avail ebia sɛ esisi ɛno akyi no eji ahyehyɛ Ghana ha accident ɛkɔ so kyɛ sɛ ɛnɛma si Ghana ha no ɛnyɛ ne waketewa ama 2006 we no flooding bɛdiga ka kyerɛw Accra ne Central Region Fund omu ewu pa ensuyiri ɛkɔ so ensuyiri na china ɛne wo flyer bi ego viral on social media handles like what na say his excellency the president John Mahama omu I arrangement for program because name adma efia da ye nyame a ochina our program a National Prayers and Thanksgiving Day just ye nyina be hia ne akɔbɔ mpa ya akɔda nyame ase ɛde ɛho asa nyame nsa foforo ebia 2025 mpa ya akɔbɔ ebia nyame wante was ebia nyame wante nti no ye be say ye bi this year na this year no Friday ana program pompon so na ebekɔ so na enra no ana almost start program no ɛwɔ Accra the State House ene kanda eti the State House onom no na ɛyɛ Kristofoɔ de ana kanda ho no eye yenuamu mosiramifoɔ no ene go hia ba Mahama okoni meni nyina na Kristofoɔ de na se no ɛho no ono eje microphone eto nwom asa nwom no to eye there shall be showers of blessing this is the promise of love what I say wey ene nwom a na Mahama eto say wo beto nhira bosuo agu yanso
there shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing. Showers of blessing we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Thank you. Showers of blessing.
There shall be showers of blessing. Now, showers of blessing, you Mahama etu program na so. No, ana man pos omonti ase. Ensu ato eyiri afa omaima. Omaima epa na se a wonu ehunu wana sinimu. Omu ehun de enem eko babia aye bagbaja ama omu na his excellency organize National Prayers and Thanksgiving Day ejina se to there shall be showers of blessing say ye dem paye ena ebe chechire Ghana ana ye dem paye no eba be ye dey at this moment Honorable Jerry ene Ghana for no abechire omadwen afa program na Mahama eye no.
The fact that we always want to believe that we are Christians or Muslims or whatever religious groups we find ourselves, when there are critical issues staring us in the face and we don't take the right steps to deal with those issues. I mean, I hear the president was dancing. This morning, I'd gone to visit flood victims already. In fact, 2 homes that the people lost their lives. 2 women. One, the ambulance couldn't pick the woman because the ambulance just couldn't access the home. The second one, a 65-year-old woman, just because the flood, the home was submerged. And then the president is standing here and dancing. Dancing for what? And then when he even had the opportunity to visit the Ghanaian people, he was in the helicopter, and he was watching them. Watching them for what? What kind of resolution? He was the same person that set up the anti-flood, task force. And he was headed by Stan Dobe. Really, when the Minister of Interior is even supposed to be the one chairing such a committee. I mean, the mediocre is too much. We are always messing up with the minds of the Ghanaian people. Every time settings, every now and then settings. An issue will come up before you say that, oh, we are going to give you 300 million and 150 million is going to be for preventive measures and 150 million for victims. How are you even going to deal with it? And how sure are we that those monies will even get to the people we are talking about? Maybe we should stop. It's just becoming too much. So that's why he came giving thanks. And you heard the man who talked about, the one who said he's a pastor. And he was able to slaughter 32 cows for the NDC. You've seen that, haven't you seen that video?
No, we haven't.
So confront that. I'll show you. I'll share the video with you. And find out, was it a Thanksgiving they came to have? You've had your ministers of state, who had to lose their lives just because they were going to deal with an issue of galamsey. We thought that was going to bring this government to its notice, to the extent that they were going to take serious and critical look at galamsey. What is happening to galamsey? It's become unprecedented. Everywhere you pass, there is galamsey. And then you come and see people. Sami Jenfi today, he will do his, is it father-in-law or whatever's funeral, in the splashy manner, rich, profligate manner. And then we still don't see the need to stop all of this. Then when people die, then you come and say you are doing Thanksgiving. I mean, what's this?
But they believe that within the 8-year period, if you had been able to resolve these issues, we wouldn't have had this money.
How long has President Mahama been president? How long has he been vice president? We should stop this kind of cheap politics. How long has he been? He's the most experienced person as we speak right now. When it has to do with leadership in this country. He had the mandate of the people. He was vice president. He was president. And then we keep talking about, oh, you had 8-year mandate. Is government not a continuum? If he came in and he had worked on issues of storm drains, in which Agbawe alone, I have about 4 river bodies. I have the Lafa, I have the Densu, I have the Kokojo, and all of them. And you know what is happening? Promises. Oh, we will do this, we will do that. And nothing is happening. Then you rather come and stand here and be doing Thanksgiving, and people are dancing and praying. You think God does not help those who help themselves?
Feel it's irrelevant?
Absolutely.
What are you doing for the people in your constitution?
Well, I've gone to engage them. I've spoken to them on...
Just speaking to them.
No, I've given them relief items. I've advised them, educated them to move to higher rooms and higher places. I've talked to churches, mosques. They've given us better places to relocate them. I've sent them mattresses. I've sent them food. I've sent them soap. And that is what I'm doing as an individual.
Beyond that, what are you going to do?
There's nothing I can do some more. I saw you speak to Kwame A+. What did he tell you? Have a good day.
All right, thank you.
There shall be showers of blessing. This is the promise of love. There shall be seasons refreshing, sent from the Savior above. Showers of blessing, we need. Mercy drops round us are falling, but for the showers we plead. Thank you. Showers of blessing. We thank God for this day. We thank Him for His protection. We thank Him for His mercy on all of us and on our country. And may He continue to have mercy on us. And may He continue to grant Ghana exceptional favor. Thank you.
President Mahama. President Mahama. Mahama. President Mahama. Bibi viesi duri. President Mahama. Sisa we ya kwalista. We ya kwalista. So we are gospel artists. This is a kind of a choir artist or a gospel artist. We are chorister. We are chorister. What's a young couple who Ghana for mobile? Right there. Nyankopon who Ghana for mobile. How? Nia Nyankopon wa ye Ghana die no onye biem. Nia Nyankopon odi aye o man Ghana yi. E die no onye biem as a god. Nia Nyankopon ye obo soro. Eni asase ya wo se God should have mercy on us. Ediem pa na Nyankopon obo soro ni asase nye biem President John Mahama. Am I good? Diamond, manganese, bauxite, cocoa, almost about 15 resources, timber, cucumber, condom, braised steaks, proud. Nyankopon wa yo man Ghana ye biem pa na Nyankopon yo onye biem a wo say God should have mercy upon us. O man pahina Nyankopon wa je wa japade ente se ayinsu ato ai sese wodi nyoma pagu akwamu ademo man Ghana no Wakwa fa ayi Roman for him book. Ena walking kind. Ena wo tonyum. Uye a what's in Yankopon huye mobo. Nyankopon wa drum or man. Nyankopon wa drum countries with resources. Womu use womu resources at the building womu kudono. 20 years Penyah Dubai you see at the building Dubai. Oh yeah, the Penyah Dubai for two. You get almost about getting to 15 resources. Say now Nyankopon huye mobo. Say now Nyankopon who my Ghana mobo. No way a qualista. And the President John Mahama ye qualista. Or your gospel artist. Wako time se Roman or angry can for him book. Calling chassis. Suta to asenko for nioma. Ese wudi solution se bang. O kinkan him book. O kinkan se Romano sangre kan for him book. Ewie kase Nyankopon huye mobo. Wana omo jide o President John Mahama muno muntie.
Chale Ghana ya adwini so me dem ho ka ho. Ya adwini so papa obi kan ye ntiase. And say na flood is wa Accra. Ma ku nipa ma yehu waste problem I want in this country. Now Friday, Republic Day, is a national holiday. I say yakobom paye. Yakobom paye. Na paye in the bayi waste na ya waste plastic bottles, plastic waste na bayi na free. Ukoka kwabrani be say the president is not your father. President o ye nyina father. He's my father, he's your father. Ye nyina father. In the bibi koso na wani njuwa, you're supposed to complain to your father. You hear town counseling. You hear town education. You hear bins to put waste in them. You hear education on waste management. You see a ko bompaye. It's a country be pana. Ya wo me to me. Bro.
Ebusiafo, me also for a bishop, me a prophetic office, a minister of the gospel. Na metima kan okre. Say a national day of thanksgiving and prayer. Ihun se o mampani ni ne yire e papa ne mame president and first lady omudi asan in the midst of emrea Ghana for a woo a lusu moja patie a bidida hospital. A wrong move, Papa. Now say I postpone Saturday. A wrong move. Say if I hear Asana Mosana, I said the MGB number. But time when phone helicopter crash no men kai busan for ya mfancheme. Biansa. There be Biansa. So far, you should have prompted the president to postpone this program. A wrong timing. I am never against it, but a wrong timing. The people didn't watch it. A wrong calculation. We're sending wrong signal to the masses. I've chanced upon platform, people are talking about it. In the midst of this disaster, a son of pen on Mukayo. Baby. The handlers of the president, please do a better job. This was poor. Very bad. I came in peace. Hopefully, so do my time. God bless you.
Comedy does what I know. Comedy does. The sort of why you don't go for my damn go for no. You guys are supposed to have a solution to that problem. It's a carbon pay. I'm a flood major. You sooner you have been into now, madam, a flood here. Now, in this, if I want to come and pay madam a flood major. Comedy not goes. We need development for Ghana. It's a flood no bija one abroad. June 3rd was a June 3rd. Usually I'm all sweet. A month for then another the madden had not can be spiritual. The only time I ever happened here, the infirmities in Tabedin in a solution. Young farmer, why keep on doing that? Got it. In another now, yeah, prayer and work just or Bompayama, the flood major.
Now, Mr. John Mahama, we're a content creator because she is not tough for manful. Obianka sama mpanyin nya sori yo ana mpanyin nya Thanksgiving ana mpanyin nkwa sori na sabre yen she white wo yesa o manfo na ka kire wo se so de atoye na to renchem na atoye no mpanyin fa ye ho sa wo beka ya ebre na de nkoku fuado eteso na corona eba ya na covid eba ya covid-19 ba ya se mpanyin be pia bontene na obeya de a ne pictures ebe kwa bontene a wo shata de e kasa entubo se mampanyin tade no wo no eni brain soja kani brain soja ka bons mania bre esobrubu ohun mampanyin tade no de communicate enye white and quality me de quiet Thanksgiving na Thanksgiving kwa wo de nyame ase for day but obi nka se nkwa asori de ye kwa asori ye asori me se John Mahama no content creator na wo de content no de Ghana creator won kan ye ntiase yanti wona wo yire mu gina ho sente mani ade amo sai pa ni je be pa na omumu aga odi mampanyin shatade bia obia montena ka opecha ba montena manfos no kure nie mampanyin atade akasa akire je so de de hwemfa ho bio yanti obi akoma na nasen aba mampanyin we de yanti me mo 5 years o ye na soro ko na 4 years no kura nso ya bre enkrofo fo na nti obrempo da be na Mahama be free so mampanyini wo 4 years no nso ye mpo ya brew ye na so refi akonya no so ya brew bread me say so obi ye panyini a if someone is a leader in the midst of crisis, that is where we see the exact leader that person is, or the real qualities of that person. In the midst of crisis, yenkase nyaso, yenkase nya thanksgiving. Nemum satade a omanfo hu se wo satade we as mampanyina tade de ekasa kire. Yensa white emmo fita enkogina wonsa. Emma nkrofo nyina hu se mampanyina ni age. Enti wo hwe ade atoreche no kra atoye no. Na seda no man fan kwa ma atoreche atoye no. Ye ne de. Da bi sabre nanka wa shatade a na ni din da dede. Ana wo nkrofo no apa atwa wo ahia no wo dress na obi a hu ana. Ayi wo ya fra mo se fashion design wo mo bon dodo. Ma adi na mampanyini na bon to mo di na chi nyina so abon. Adi pa na mampanyini awradia. Aja John adi asemwa adi bone be na Ghana pa ye di ayewo. Ngai o sa de hwe mfa ho. Enti yenti obi akoma na sabeta. We na o se yema kwana ko 5 years. Wo kura wati kan gina ha kase wo 4 years mampanyini de oba na obetimi a 4 years ye. Wa fe oba ya 4 years nso. Enso akonya na nyofi akonya wo. Kopepa bi tan ye hwe anim. My friend, go and sit down. Asembe ya. Ise kura de ya bre. Tese ye kan so wontie. Ye kan wontie. Mampanyini. Ana panyini mama. Asembo. Adende amfa wo. Adende amfa ba akumpo. Because mampanyini no wa bon Mahama. Ope mampanyini wa bon pa John Mahama. This super incompetent man. The lying masha. Aye ono wa bon ama chese. Ye hu hwie nye ye. Ye chese. Ye mfa si hey.
When in some honorable any Ghana phone been come out AD efa enra no national president has given me their Mahama sure you know when in some in fact adwin tire mu some ekeka. I think that's our personal opinion obetimi akire area mayen our comment section. We are so much interested in your opinion. Hi Penyah Black Media Accra.